Kum Shibanta ban Pinstat Yakakam ban Khot Shakamej Yakren Yakaseng Nyotrap National Liberation Council HNLC Ka Sarkar Jilla Kaladep ban Phah kyrteng jung ksiang Shaka Home Ministry jung Sarkar Kame Barhado Menta Kam Shem Patla Phah jing Tip Shaka Sarkar Jilla Habekren Bikilar Pathai Kubor Menteri Ki Kampo yang ke Jilla Bah Lahkmen Remboy Ula Kyntait ban ïathuh ba katno ki kyrteng la deb ban phah Shaka Sarkar Kame Baru lau diu shinrang ne kalong kame da ka baong ba kani ka kam kala poi Shaka Sarkar Kame unum la banong e halor kani ka benta.
We have written to the Home Ministry and asked the Home Ministry that given the name, and we have not get back from the Ministry as of now. And as you know that the Honorable Chief Minister will go and meet on the border issue with the Home Ministry. I think side by side he will take up this issue also, so that the matter could be taken at the earliest. We have sent a name. You will see when it comes up. I didn't want to disclose as of now. So since the matter is with the central government, we will discuss at appropriate time.
So
Female.
We will disclose at appropriate time.
at least you can say single name or few names.
We have sent a name which we thought that it is acceptable to both the central government and the state government.
But sir, will there be a ceasefire with the HNLC? Because it is a ban.
Let this process finish, and after that, then we will see what is to be done. Let this first step, we want this first step to be moved as fast as possible from the government. So let this first step completed, then only we will do all the nitty-gritty afterwards.
So
that means after appointment of interlocutor, then will come the talks for ceasefire, or
See, once we have appointed, then the HNLC can directly contact with this person, whoever may be appointed. Then the nitty-gritty of that talk will be known after that. So as of now, it's too premature for me to say anything on before the appointment of the person. There is no report with me right now, but the police is alive to the situation and to deal in all eventualities. Having said that, we from the government, we are serious, and I hope that the group will realize that we cannot, when the process of talk is on, so all these activities should stop immediately.